Hi friends and yasas. Today we're going to be making Lahanosalata or Greek cabbage salad.
Start off by peeling the outer leaves of the cabbage. Now remove the inner core of the cabbage and make sure it doesn't go flying.
I don't bother with food processors, the knife will do it just fine. Just make sure you use it and slice your cabbage leaves finely.
As I explained, shred your cabbage leaves finely using your knife. Wash and peel the carrots.
Again, you can use a food processor, but I'm using the trusted old box grater. I've had it for years and it does the job fantastic.
So using the large holes on the box grater, grate your carrots finely. Now pick apart the parsley leaves. A handful will be fine. Shred them very finely. And now we'll make the dressing. Dressing consists of 3 parts oil to 1 part white vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar. I wouldn't use balsamic. Season it with salt and pepper. Give it a good whisk and we're going to pour it over the salad. That's it. There's me smiling. Pour it over your salad. Now give it a good toss. I like to let the salad rest a little bit before serving to let the flavours develop. Give it a good taste and enjoy. The link to the full recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.